this regards to the flood control management program of the DPWH. So, may I follow up with my request documents doon po sa DPWH during the briefing? Kasi gusto nating makita po yung ano-anong mga, on the flood control, di ba pinag-usapan po natin sa briefing, yung iba't ibang pamamaraan, how to control yung mga floodings. So, may mga dredging, may mga iba pang mga ways on how to control. So, meron na po ba yung report na yon, Mr. Speaker, on the different projects on the flood control? Kasi ang dami pong mga flood control, hindi natin alam kung ano-ano po ba yung mga gagawin. Nakalagay lang kasi mga infrastructure, etc.
Yes, we'll provide you, Mr. Speaker, we'll provide our honorable colleague the requested documents.
Well, I have asked it last time, sabing ganon, before the plenary, it will be given.
There was a request coming from, during the budget hearing, they have requested a copy of the different projects.
Yeah, so anong pong project on
the different modalities on trying to reduce floodings in Metro Manila and Bulacan or other areas in the Philippines.
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, correct.
Mr. Speaker?
Session suspended.
Of dikes and levees, flood walls, retention ponds and detention basins, dams and reservoir, flood control drainage system, flood control gates and barriers, pumping station, and many more, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor. We will give you a copy of this, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Yeah, I know the different modalities that was discussed po during the briefing. Ayan, alam po yan ni Secretary, nakikinig siya mabuti noon. Pero sinasabi ko po, Mr. Speaker, yung hinihiling natin, among these projects po na nakalista, so alin po dyan yung mga modalities? So lahat po ba mga dredging? O lahat po ba mga dams? O lahat po ba yung paggawa ng mga reservoir? Or etc.? So may ganun po bang...
Hindi po, halo-halo din yun.
Yeah, so that's what I'm asking
I see.
for.
Okay. So all the projects with the different engineering intervention
modalities.
Yes. So they will give this to you to the Committee on Appropriations or to you directly.
So kailan po yun, Mr. Speaker? Distinguished sponsor.
Tomorrow, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor. They will give it to your office,
okay.
Mr. Speaker.
So I will accept that for the meantime, Mr. Speaker, in the interest of time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Magkano po ngayong 2024 yung mga foreign assisted projects? Foreign assisted projects, how much is being allotted this year?
For 2024, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor. Magkano? 70 billion, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, is allotted for the foreign assisted projects.
Okay. Yung hindi po foreign assisted projects, yung mga local projects po.
What kind of projects, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor? Is it flood control?
Doon po, sa flood control. Yun po yung pinag-usapan natin, flood control.
For 2024, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, the total flood control allocation is 215 billion and 215 billion, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
250 billion?
215
billion.
215 billion, pero parang mali po tayo ng magkaiba po tayo ng data, Mr. Speaker, because on my notes, for 2024, the DPWH is asking the Congress to fund 21.63 billion flood control projects. So, halos 1/3 po ito nung kabuang budget sa nakalipas na 14 years. Magkaiba po tayo ng medyo data, Mr. Speaker, kasi doon sa sinasabi nating mga local projects without the foreign assisted ay 61 billion. So, sinasabi ko nga po mula anong 2010 to 2024 ay meron pong 61 billion. Okay? So, ito yung 1/3 nung nakalipas na 14 years. So, tama po ba tayo ng tinitingnan as regards to the budget po ng flood control management? Kasi po ang nakalagay dito.
Well, in the record, in the NEP for 2024, on the locally funded projects on flood control, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, the NEP is, what is reflected in the NEP is a total of 215 billion, 640 million, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Okay. I will accept that, Mr. Speaker. So I have noticed, Mr. Speaker, on the project of Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Project or the PMRCIP, nasa budget books na ito as early as 2000 and it's still going on. So meron po tayo dito, no? Meron pong Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement Phase 2, JBIC, 26 YCP, PH 239, meron pa rin Pasig Marikina River Channel Improvement, and so on, siguro mga 4 po yan. Pero napansin natin, Mr. Speaker, parang since 2000, project na ito doon sa nakalagay doon sa DPWH. Kung pwede niyo po bang i-confirm na totoo po ito na since 2000 ay meron ng ganitong nakalaan na project ng DPWH?
Actually, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, this is implemented by phase. This started in the year 2001 and for detailed engineering, and then the actual construction started on year 2006.
Yes, so
onward
almost,
until
ano
now.
nga po, almost 20 years na nga po. And it's still going on.
Yes,
so
Mr.
meron po
Speaker.
bang ganitong project na more than more or less 20 years na. So kailan po ba matatapos ito? Kasi napapansin natin sa Pasig Marikina River Channel, yung improvement for the last maybe 20 years, ay bakit hindi pa rin masyadong ganun yung nakikita nating improvement?
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, the total length of the project is 40 kilometers, starting from the mouth of the river towards going upstream up to Marikina, and according to the calendar for the completion of this project is in the year 2028.
The completion is in the year
2028.
2028.
Yes,
Okay.
Mr.
So
Speaker.
sabi niyo po from 2006 up to 2028. So ano po yung gusto nating ma-achieve dito pag nakatapos na itong Pasig Marikina River Channel? Ma-improve po ba yung ating flood control?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, this was designed on a 20-year return period. 30-year return period.
Okay. So on the foreign assisted flood control and drainage projects, palang po gumasta tayo ng 61.02 billion from 2010 to 2023. Tama po ba ito? Yung foreign assisted ay 61.02 billion from 2010 to 2023. Plus, yung sinasabi nyo ngayon na more than 200 billion na maidadagdag natin sa flood control. Tama po ba yun, Mr. Speaker?
Yes, maybe your data is right, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, but these projects are implemented nationwide, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Yeah, hiwalay pa rin po ba ito, Mr. Speaker, doon sa 1.14 trillion other flood control and drainage projects na pinondohan natin from 2016 to 2023. 8 years na po yan. Almost 1.14 trillion flood control project.
Yes, different, iba yun, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor. Yung drainage and channel improvement, iba doon sa iba sa mga ODA projects.
Yeah, sa 2024 po, yung proposal ng DPWH na pondohan po yung 257.13 billion na flood control and drainage projects, kung saan 21.63 po dito ay galing sa utang. Tama po ba?
Yes,
Okay.
galing
So,
sa ODA.
Yeah, so pansin ko lang, Mr. Speaker, puro loan proceeds, no? At wala tayong GOP counterpart?
Mayroon yan. Yes, there is a local counterpart, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, and the payment of right of way and actually the share of the government of the Philippines is 15%. 85% for loan and then 15% for GOP.
Yes, okay. Thank you po doon sa mga data at confirmation. So, manifestation lang po, Mr. Speaker. So, trillion na po yung pondo natin na ginagastos dito sa mga flood control project and improvement. So, pero sa kabila nito, Mr. Speaker, distinguished sponsor, narito pa rin tayo na lumalala yung mga pagbaha. So, recently nga dito sa EDSA, naranasan natin yung pagbaha, kahit yung mga dati na po na mga hindi binabaha, ay gano'n na rin po yung nangyayari. So, ano po kaya ang ma-expect natin dito sa mga susunod na taon, 2024, para dito sa dahil meron din tayong more than 250 billion na project, na amount of projects sa flood control. Makakaranas na po ba tayo ng kaalwanan against sa mga flooding na yan? Kasi parang nakikita natin, Mr. Speaker, na lumalala po ang mga pagbaha sa mga lugar nga po sa probinsya, yung mga lugar na hindi po binabaha, ay binabaha na rin, kung napapansin nyo rin. Although merong ibang mga mitigating factor kung bakit may mga baha. Pero hindi po ba natin na nakukuha yung correct na pamamaraan para ma-control po natin itong mga floodings na ito, Mr.
With the implementation, with the completion and implementation of these different projects throughout the country, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, there will be a reduction of floodings or inundations in many areas. But remember, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, hindi lang ho engineering intervention ang kailangan natin. Dapat holistic approach din. Kailangan din natin dahil sa climate change, yung ating environment, kailangan din natin ma-preserve. Kaya ho, hindi, yung land use, proper land use, siguro ho, maraming factors na dapat din nating pagtuunan ng pansin.
Yes.
Maliban sa engineering intervention. But
Yes.
I'd like to mention here, Mr. Chairman, Your Honor, that according to EDBH study, there are 1,271 river basins throughout the country. 18 major river basins, 421 principal rivers, and the rest are small rivers and tributaries. Ganun ho, karami yung ating river system, and that is why kailangan ho natin ng malaking pondo rin para sa flood control po.
Yes, tama po. Malaking pondo, malaki na nga po yung pondo na nilalaan natin. Maraming mga river basin, etc. So, may mga, hindi lang po engineering factor yung kailangan natin. So, pero hindi natin nahihit no? Hindi natin nahihit yung tamang formula para talagang mabawasan yung ating mga flood. In fact, nag-ano pa nga, sinasabi ko nga, parang lumalala pa rin. So, have you coordinated po, halimbawa sa mga DNR, sa LGU, doon po sa sinasabi ninyo na iba pang mga ahensya na pwedeng makatulong, di ba? So, hindi lang naman kayo din na inaasahan natin. So, kailangan natin dito yung, katulad na nga na sinabi nyo, holistic approach, may mga climate change, etc. So, paano po yung, meron po ba kayong certain kind of coordination or nag-meeting po ba? Paugnay nito, Mr. Speaker.
Actually, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, lahat halos ng mga major river basins, principal rivers dito sa Pilipinas, ay kailangan ho ng mga technical studies rin dito. Kaya nga, dito sa atin, marami na ho tayong ginagawang mga pag-aaral. In fact, assisted tayo ng World Bank, EDB, JICA, kung paano ho natin solusyonan ang floodings not only in Metro Manila but in other parts of the country na may mga principal rivers and major river basins. Kailangan ho ang isang master plan talaga.
Okay.
Iaaralin ho talaga ng husto ito, well coordinated with other agencies of government.
Kailan po kaya yan mangyayari?
Marami na ho ang ginagawang master plan ang DPWH. But remember, there are 1,271 river basins. So sa ngayon ho, marami na. Yung 18 major river basins, may studies na po na ginagawa noon.
Okay. Thank you po.
Ina-update lang natin ho annually.
Thank you po, Mr. Speaker. No? So sana po with that, yung mga sinasabi po nating mga sponsor, ng ating sponsor, Mr. Speaker, ay makaranas na po tayo ng, ng improvement doon sa ating flood control programs na ipatutupad ng DPWH in the future or in the near future. So,
lahat po ng Newsflash video ay makikita sa aking Newsflash playlist. Sa mga gusto naman po ng mga biblical topics, punta po kayo sa aking channel na Mahafree TV. Para sa mga gustong mag-order ng Fermax Firmang and Lifting Cream and Immune System Booster, contact Mr. Dante Maravillas on Facebook. Cell phone number 090865535757.